So when we talk about challenges, you guys, I'm not a public speaker. I was talking about social media posts, guys. Sometimes it takes me a good hour to put something together, and people message me and be like, "Oh my goodness, that was so great." I'm like, I don't put words together well, but you guys, challenges can come in so many different forms. When I started, we struggled to put food on the table. We traveled across the country. Someone hacked my Facebook account. I lost connection with my team for 2 months. This has taken me so many different places, and it has brought me one of the biggest support systems. And it's also revealed character of others who did not
Let's go, Rachel.
Did not love and support me the way that I thought that they would. So that being said, you guys, set your mind to it. Do the dang thing. Set your mind to it and do the dang thing, because you know what? It doesn't matter what anybody else has to say about you and what you do. Do what you need to do to be successful in this business, and do the dang thing. All right.
So the hardest time I had in my business was actually last year. I was like 7 months pregnant, and that was actually my why. So that was the reason that I started my business, was because I wanted to be able to be a stay-at-home mom, and I was literally right there. And these gals that I knew from my hometown, they decided to try and ruin my life, my character, my reputation, my career, my livelihood, the way I make money, the way I feed my family. And it was a week's worth of Facebook Live videos, thousands of views, "We Hate Rianne" group chats that I saw. And needless to say, I was like riddled with worry and just didn't know what to do with my hands, I didn't know how to show up. I didn't know how to lead my team. I didn't know how to post. I felt like everything I did was under a microscope, and I didn't want to do anything wrong, right? And I was scared to post in anything. I didn't trust anybody or their intentions, because I thought that these girls were my friends, and without even a conversation, they became my enemies. They became the people that were trying to ruin me. And y'all might look up at us and say, "Oh, they've made it." But the thing is we've gone through a lot of really hard stuff. We just choose what to focus on now. And we focus on the positive over the negative. With every level comes a new devil. And y'all know that. You've heard that saying before. So if I have any advice for you guys, if you are dealing with haters, because sadly it is a common thing. It might be your spouse. It might be your hometown. It might be your following on social media. But press on, you guys. I have one thing to say. When it gets the hardest, you're the closest. Every single time. When it gets the hardest, you're the closest. So you want to know what I did about the lives and the group chat and all the things? Nothing. I didn't even let them know I saw it. Because silence speaks a lot louder than words, and I knew my truth. I know who I am, I know who I stand for and what I believe in, and the people that are meant to be in my life do too. And they've got my back. I don't need to prove that to anybody. And so I got 4 things to say to you guys. These are 4 things that really help me with haters or anybody that gives you the side eye about what we do here. The people closest to you are the least likely to support you, because y'all came from the same place and they're still in the same place. No one happy with their life will spend 1 second bashing on yours. No one thinks that you can do what they're not sure that they can do themselves. And so they're going to be a skeptic. And the last thing, someone's opinion of you does not become your reality or your truth unless you let it.